I'm Chef Scott Royce of Loyalist College Culinary. I wanted to take you guys on a little tour of something we've been working on here on campus. Come have a look. This is some space that's under construction for the culinary department. If you have a look around, we've got a lot of new spaces that we're working on. I'm just going to talk about each one individually. So right now we're standing in what's going to become the new market. This is where we're going to sell what our students are making, and we're so excited to get working on it. So we're going to have some fridges over on this side, some counters in the back here, all the way about out to here. We're going to have a nice counter for staff behind and 2 refrigerated cases here to display our goodies. In here we're going to have some tabling for people to purchase product and 2 big bright doors to come into the space. Come have a look down here. It's very difficult to kind of conceptualize without the walls up, but these 2 spaces here are going to be bathrooms. Where this hub room is here, this is going to become a hallway to the change rooms. So come on this way and I'll show you what they look like. So this is going to be a center wall here where we have lockers for the students, benches all the way around, and we're going to have changing stalls on either end, some here and some here. It's going to be great for the students to be able to come in, keep their items organized, keep their chef jackets nice and crisp before they go to class. Into this space here, this is going to become our chocolate lab. Really neat. I haven't seen it with these doors up, so that's kind of cool. So this is going to become our chocolate lab. At this end, we're going to have an ice cream machine, some countertops over here with a chocolate tempering machine, lots of storage over here for our molds, and then against these walls, we're going to have tabling for our student chefs to be working at. And then I'm going to go through this door into our new baking lab. So this big room here is going to become the lab where we teach baking techniques. So we're going to have 3 rows of tables for our students to work at. Each station is going to have an individualized fridge for the students to work at, their own mixer as well. Where I'm standing right in about this area here is going to be where chef station is going to be, with 2 large industrial mixers behind me. So chef's going to do the demonstration for the student right here. The students are going to be looking out of this beautiful view we have as well. Down this end over here, we're going to have our dish area. So down in here, we're going to have, dirty area, big nice dish machine here, pot sink over here, and lots of space to store our pots, pans, and wares over here. And at the very end over here, this whole wall is going to become cooking equipment. So all the way across here, we're going to have cooking equipment. We're going to have a 6-burner range on this side, a big rationale. We're going to have a triple-decker bread hearth over here, another rationale here, some proofers, and then in the corner over here, we're going to have a donut frying machine to get your delicious donuts in the market. So that's just a little taste of what we're working on. I hope you tune into the next video where we show you how it's all taking shape. In the meantime, if you have questions about the program or anything else, please visit our website, loyalistcollege.com, and click on Contact Us. Thanks.